Welcome students, welcome to Nils Biology, and in this tutorial video I am going to discuss about the Golgi body or the Golgi complex, which was discovered by George. Not discovered, actually George first observed Golgi body in 1867, and after that the scientist Camillo Golgi or C. Golgi discovered the Golgi complex or the Golgi body. It actually consists of three types or three membranous system. The number one is cisternae, or cisterna, and after that there is vacuoles and vesicles. This vacuoles is also known as the Golgian vesicles. And this Golgian vacuoles have some functions. Okay. So after that you have to know that is the Golgi body have a polarity or the different polarity. What is polarity? Polarity means Golgi body have a it is a cup shaped structure. Okay, because there is a cisternae, it is a cisternae, and this region, which in later it will be pinched off, is known as Golgian vacuoles, and this is this tube, this structure is known as secretory vesicle. Okay, this is the idea of Golgi body. But what is the polarity? Polarity means Golgi body have two type of polarity. One is convex, another is concave. One is convex, another is concave. It is the concave side, also known as the maturation phase or M phase or trans phase. Okay, because from these regions the maturations of proteins as well as the maturation of vesicles as well as lipids takes place from this region. Okay, suppose lysosome. Sometimes it's thought, and it is the lysosome is part of Golgi body or the Golgi complex. Okay, because from this region the lysosome can formed. Okay, so after that, suppose there is RER and ACR, or rough endoplasmic reticulum or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, actually Golgi body functions as the protein sorting or the post-translational modifications of proteins. Okay, this is the main job of Golgi body. And rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosome, which is machinery for production of proteins. Okay, and hence this is a ribosome. These are the ribosome, and let's assume it's a ER or endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and Golgi body, the concave side of Golgi body always fades towards the nucleus. Okay, towards the nucleus. and concave side faces towards the plasma membrane. Okay, some vesicles from rough endoplasmic reticulums, protein molecules come here and come contact with the cis phase or the cis Golgi phase, and from this region the protein can take entry by the help of the vesicle, and after that they can be transported from the cis phase to the trans phase, and after that when the protein transport is completed, the protein are present in the Golgian vacuoles, and after that these regions are pinched off. Function. And to know the function of the Golgi body, you have to know at first the Golgi body, the number of Golgi body in eukaryotic cell. Golgi body present in all eukaryotic cell. Except spermatozoa of bryophytes and pteridophyte and RBC. Sieve tube cells of phloem in angiosperms are not present in blue-green algae or bacteria, in bacteria and as well as the blue-green algae. Now, in animal cell, the number of Golgi body is less than in plant cell. In animal cell there is 6 to 12, and in plant cell it's 10 to 20, and in fungi, in case of fungi, there is unicisterny complex. There is no a typical Golgi body structure or the Golgi complex structure. There is only one cisterna or unicisterna. Okay. Now, let's talk about what is the functions of Golgi body. Is mainly secretion. They act as secretion house or the export house of the cell. Okay. Golgi body helps or they add oligosaccharide to form glycolipid structure. Now, they can also add or the glycosylations of proteins, or they can add carbohydrate to protein to form glycoprotein. And Golgi body have a function to form lysosome, because in Golgian vacuole there is some hydrolytic enzyme as well as some proteins also present, or they act as a hydrolytic enzyme, or they have a great role to produce lysosome. After that, Golgi body in oocytes of animal. In oocytes of animal, Golgi body act as a center. Act as a center in which yolk is deposited. In oocytes of animal cell, Golgi body act as the yolk deposition center. Okay, this process is known as vitellogenesis. Golgi body also helps in formation of cell plate. And they also gives rise to form acrosome in sperm cells. Also gives rise to acrosome in sperm cell. Okay. So these are the functions of Golgi body. Hope this video will be helpful to you, and if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel to get update of more videos. So stay happy, keep learning, and stay safe. Thank you.